today our thing about this video will be, yes, it is true, I do have the cats. So her name is Maddie. She's a 1-year-old. Look how much, oh, you guys can't see the fur. Why is it so zoomed in? I'm actually not this close to her face. This would be me being that close to her face. Okay. That's my sister. Maddie loves my sister. Just look at those eyes. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Let's take a time lapse of what she does, I guess. And 3, 2, wait, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was intensely cute. Whew. She's just gonna drink now. Well, well, that's, I guess, it for the video. So, see you guys on the next one. Bye!